Control him, don't let him control you. Keep telling, Craig. Snap him down. Snap him down. Steer the bus, steer the bus. Don't let him get that cross collar. Get rid of it. Armbars there. Hip out, Craig. You got to hip out. Hip out, hip out. Get your guard back. Full guard, full guard. You got to make him move. Good, Craig. You're halfway there. Buck, 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 buck. Yes. Full guard, full guard. Don't let him pass. Don't let him pass. Keep moving to him. Move to him. That's it. Don't let him pass, Bright. Keep that leg. Keep that leg. As long as you got that leg, he hasn't passed. Yes. There's that Ezekiel. Undress him. Undress him. Pull it out tight. Pull it out. Pull it out. Don't let him pass. Break it. Bring his posture back down. Break his posture. Break his posture. Don't let him control your hips. Yes, Craig. Get back into him. Circle back into him. Don't let him get the points. Explode, Craig. Explode. Explosive. Yes. There's that choke. Hangman. 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 Get playing. His gear's loose. Hangman. Hangman, hangman. Chest, shoulder pressure, shoulder pressure. Put it against your hip. Don't let him get knee right, don't let him get knee right. Shoulder pressure on. Go, go, go. Yeah. There it is, there it is. Pass, 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 pass.
Yeah, that's it.
Get some points on the board.
Pressure, pressure, pressure there, pressure there. Pressure, pressure.
Get them out.
Get them out.
Get them out. Get that armbar on your left side. Left side. Armbar. Once you get that leg out of half guard. There you go. Hold them out. Hold, 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 hold. Okay, he's got the points. Come on. Okay. There's